Everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is several different hauls. Let me see if I can get everything together and show you what I got. Let's do this first. And you guys may be able to recognize this. So this is what came out for Halloween, not all of it, there was different ones, for Michaels. My friend Michelle from A Creative Operation used these pads to make a really fabulous coffin-shaped mini album. And so I put them on my must-buy list, ordered it while I was out of the country, and by the time I got back, everything was here. Now, I can't do a flip through of the pad except for a couple of pages that I'm not using, not right away. These are the full-size sheets that are in the pad. There's that and this, and I probably will somehow cut these elements and use them one way or the other. But the rest I have taken out, and I'm making a project with them, so you'll just have to stay tuned to my channel and see what the project is. There also was this ephemera. So there's 24 different shapes. There's a couple of bottles. It says spooky. It says Halloween, trick or treat. I don't know if I'm going to use them in the project because I'm doing 6 projects that are similar. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see. But it's really cool stuff. Look at this cat. It's glittery, sparkly. So besides that, I got some paints and paintbrushes from Michaels. And that's after I whittled the shopping cart down from 24 items to only 12. Because you know what it's like when you're sitting there hitting buttons. So anyhow, that's one thing I got from Michaels. Now, I ordered glue from Country Craft Creations because you may know I love to use this Designer Dries Clear adhesive from the Art Glitter Company. It's just a good glue, but the only thing is you cannot order it or you cannot have it shipped when the temperatures get cold, and temperatures are going to start to get cold. So I had some credits, bonus points, I don't know, some bucks to spend at Country Craft Creations. So I went ahead and ordered this because I know they wrap it and it's fast shipping. And of course it still was August when I ordered it, so I didn't have any problem getting it. That, along with what I have, should last me. Now I also picked up some of this. I picked some of this from scrapbook.com, but some from Country Craft Creations. I'll link both in the description box. This is the new Honeybee paper. This just came out. I just fell in love with it when I saw it. I don't know if it's the muted tones or the Honeybee. I don't know. I just thought it was real pretty. I got paper. See, I think I got one of these from each place. That's the coordinating solids, which if you follow me, you know that it's really the best way to go is to get the coordinating solids, especially because if you've seen my recent craft room tour video, you will see that I don't have as many 12 by 12 or even 8.5 by 11 solids. So I like to get it with the kit. Now this one I'm going to do a quick flip through. I mean, really quick. Here's the stickers, flowers. Here, I'll do it this way so you can see the front and the back. Love the cut aparts. Just in case you haven't seen this paper yet. Sort of, I mean, I like this. I've seen this before, that kind of page, but I like it. Different size cut aparts on this one page, which is interesting. Love this, love that. I mean, I love it all. See what I mean about the colors? Not real bright yellow and black, more muted and toned down. Just thought it was very pretty. Lots of cut aparts on there. Pretty flowers and bees, and there we have it. So I got that 6x6 collection, titles and phrases, which is interesting, but I like to have titles on pages or on the front of the book, and I have different ideas on different things to do with this project, with this paper. So anyhow, that is what I got. This is most from Country Craft Creations. And then finally, let's see what I got from Scrapbook.com. There was a bundle. Their bundles are usually a great price. It had this die set. Love the Ghost. Happy Halloween and Boo. And then their paper is really cool. The fact that it is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it's already card size. It's double-sided paper. Look, it's got the pink in it. Pink and orange. Isn't that fabulous? Some solids. I don't think I went through. See, there's more solids. So it coordinates and you can make some quick cards with it. And there also was a stamp set to go with it. It says Happy Spooky Season, which I like that sentiment. So between those, I should be able to make some cards. And then also I think the freebie was this mini Boo Ghost, which that's pretty cute. Oh. That came from Michaels too. They had one that had a skull on the moth or the butterfly, which I really liked, but they were out of stock of that. The reason I purchased from Scrapbook.com was because Lawn Fawn came out with their Thanksgiving release, and I like to get new stamps, not Thanksgiving. Well, I think some was Thanksgiving, but I like to get new stamps for Halloween. I send my family Halloween cards, and I make Halloween little goodie bags. So this one has teeny little mice. There's a mouse on a broom, a mouse dressed as a ghost, a mouse coming out of the pumpkin, a mouse as a ballerina, a mouse carrying a pumpkin. It's got some trees. It says, ooh, witching you mice Halloween, or happy wicked day, or whatever. Happy Halloween, trick or cheese. You are bewitching, eek, scary costume, which you were here. And then I got other ones, which if I had realized I had these, I probably wouldn't have gotten these. But it says Happy Fall, I'm so thankful, trick or treat, many thanks, Happy Halloween, Happy Turkey Day. These are really small sentiments, but these would be good on little tags, which is why I picked that up. So there is the new Lawn Fawn Halloween. All right, I got 2 8x8 paper pads. I know, I'm trying not to get smaller paper pads, but these, I needed some Christmas items. This one is called the Owl's House, which technically isn't really Christmas. However, I mean, it's got like a Christmas tree decoration, or that could be in a forest. I don't know. But I really liked the imagery of this. Yes, you have to fussy cut. I'll just grab my scissors as I'm watching hockey or something. Nice little tags. Probably make maybe a junk journal style album. Love the animals, and of course there's the owls. So I'm not exactly sure what I will make with this, but I thought it was pretty. There is that one, and then there's this one. And these are both Stamperia? What, I don't know, never knew. Called Candy Christmas. So it is pink and powder blue with a little bit of teal. Again, really pretty imagery. Looks like waffle cones. I know, I'm going fast, but you guys get the idea. So I also got that because, like I said, I needed Christmas. Now, I did pick up a 12x12 Christmas. This is from Moda Scrap. I wanted to get something a little out of the ordinary, something that you don't see that much. And this is Italian scrapbook paper. Does it say it's made in Italy? Yes, it's made in Italy. It's called Traditional Christmas. And it's just got some really nice graphics in it. Just, I thought, very simple, very plain. That's tone on tone. Holly and berries. Oh, yeah. Bayberry, I think that is. It just looks like, there, if you see it close, you can see it's bayberry. There's a nice stripe. Envelopes with hearts on it. pretty houses. A unique little Santa Claus. It's got some like snow falling. And some journaling cards. I wouldn't call them cut aparts, but journaling cards, and then some sentiments there. And then along with that, they have a 12 by 6 color palette. So double-sided paper. I mean, if it's blue, is it blue? Oh, they're different colors, I guess. Maybe. Anyhow, I just thought that was pretty. And then finally, I just got a bunch of things that were on clearance. I want to make a little girl album. I'm pretty sure this was on clearance. It's called True Colors from Simple Stories. And actually the prompt for this month is 8 by 8, or I'm sorry, yeah, 8 by 8 or 8 by 6 or 8.5 by 11 paper pads. But I thought this would be fun for, like I said, for little girls. Just bright colors. And then where did I put all those single sheets? Here they are. So, okay, this one doesn't match. I don't know why I got this one. Maybe it looked a different color. I don't know, but I'm sure I'll use it for something. Maybe. And then I got some Pebbles papers, which I thought would match nicely. But, you know, as you can see, this has purple in it, that doesn't. If I need the paper, oh, see, I could use that. Maybe that's what I was thinking. Maybe not. That's pretty, though. I mean, I could make cards with that. Anyhow, in any case, I can piece it together. So this is the 12 by 12 that goes along with True Colors. This is not. This is from Pink Fresh, called Picture Perfect. I thought the colors on this were pretty. I thought this would be good for a back page. Yeah, maybe. It's a stretch, but I'll make it work. This is from True Colors, so I got this so I would have some 4 by 4 cut aparts, and then there's also 2 by 2 cut aparts. I could do fun stuff with that. This is definitely from True Colors. I got 2 of these. I liked both patterns, but again, this would be great for the cover. And then I couldn't help myself. I loved this Vintage Vines. Pretty sure it was on clearance. I could be wrong. I don't know. Don't even know what that is, but this is beautiful. I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but I'm going to make something. And then there were some freebies. This, I think I showed you the cut apart. There's a couple other freebies that I've already put away. Actually, I already recorded this video and put everything away. And then I realized I cleaned up my computer and deleted things that I shouldn't have deleted. But that's how it goes. So I'm recreating this haul just because I wanted to show you things that I'm going to be scrapping with. If you're placing an order at scrapbook.com or Michaels or whatever, and you like my style, you might want to use my link, which is an affiliate link. I get a small commission, which just helps me out. And then you can scrap along with me. So either you can make Halloween cards with me, or a girl book. I guess it doesn't have to be a girl, but a bright colored book, or something for Christmas, or maybe this Honeybee collection, or some more Halloween cards. Just so many things. So stay tuned, follow along. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you see what I make. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.